Alright, y'all, so we stuck out here in Oklahoma City. Our truck broke down and we rented a car and whatever and all this. And this dude from this restaurant was like, oh, y'all should check out the, what do they call them? They said they have like these gatherings on, of, you know, trucks and shit. And they be having sideshow activity and shit. Got these niggas out here burning out and shit. Let's see what happens later on. Hopefully they do donuts. Oh, peace game, peace. A ver qué pedo. Pero no se la pasan dando vueltas.
Deberías que ponerte al revés porque
No quema cut. Oh, this one's wet. That motherfucker look wet. Niggas out here in OKC is deep. That shit wet, man. Fucking Utah, hella boring, man. This is some shit I fuck with right here. Kind of makes me want to move out here to OKC. Shit, they got paletero man right here and shit. My nigga. Honestly, this is all cool and shit. I kind of wish that somebody out here starts doing donuts or some shit, cause it's just like a burnout fucking show and shit. So hopefully they start doing donuts. That camlope on that SS though. So y'all can't see me, but you know, these guys were pretty much just going around in circles in this little small space that they got out here. But I'm not really a big fan of that. But at least they're doing peel outs more than Utah does for us. Alright, so we ditched the park and we started cruising because the guy that told us about that park, he told us about another park where they usually be doing donuts and shit, but there wasn't anything going on out there, so we were on our way back to the, look at that shit. You done fucked up, son. This shit is cracking out here. Anyways, so the guy that told us about the spot out there, told us about another spot where they be doing, you know, donuts and doing whatever. And when we were going back to the original spot, we ended up bumping into this. No se dude. Come on. So everybody's just kicking it out here. Fool over there on that fucking rice. There was a guy right here with a supercharged coyote. This nigga right here with that dipped. There go your boy. So we straight posted out here, and we decided to try some of these hot dogs. Ain't so bad. Yeah, alright. And about that supercharged coyote. Here you go. I'll probably come in a little bit later just check it out. Estoy live. Yeah. So we are here in some random ass spot, Oklahoma City. Out here chilling and shit. And we just basically just landed in this random ass spot, and we saw everybody posted out here. This nigga out here with a supercharged coyote. Nigga with the other coyote. Let's see what this. Listen to this nigga shit. Not gonna lie, fucking OKC be doing it live. This shit is not that bad. You're probably gonna have some runs later on or something. Look at that shit. The rice rockets. Nigga, we in Oklahoma City. These niggas out here sideshowing and shit. They got a bunch of cars over here. Vamos acá. Not sure if this one's real though. Supposedly Type R, GSR. Little hatchback, that motherfucker with wet paint. This nigga right here. We got the pariente over here. That nigga look like somebody's uncle. Ooh, that nigga's on the slicks. Motherfucker sound wet. Okay. These niggas out here in OKC, they ain't on that, what do you call it? Rice rocket bullshit that San Jose be on. In Salt Lake City. They got a bunch of these fucking muscle cars. Mostly everybody out here is with the shits. You got the GTO. I mean, just in this little spot, we just a bunch of Challengers, Camaros, Mustangs, supercharged Mustang. This nigga right here, the GTO. These are like the only. This nigga's a turbo Civic. Oh, this is. Oh, I think this is real. This is right-hand drive. There go our rental. Nice ride. Is it yours? Tienes que decir. I'm standing next to it. I'm trying to see if they're gonna run, but I don't know. I mean, niggas be running up and down this fucking street all night. Supposedly, right now it's 10. Supposedly it's supposed to get cracking anytime soon. So if it ain't cracking right now, it should be getting cracking, you know, soon. We'll see what's up.